Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So this video is going to be a pretty chill video. It is a Sunday. I'm on the Long Bay Beach in Portland, Jamaica. I'm just going to update you guys just a little bit, just having a quick little chit chat. There, of course, there's going to be something about food today. Even though in Portland it's kind of tough on a Sunday to find somewhere really good to eat for the most part. Now, how have I been? Like, for me personally, this has been one of the best experiences I've ever had in my life. It's not like crapping rainbows or anything like that, but it's good. Like, I find like I'm getting a chance to really explore Jamaica to its fullest. I'm meeting more people. I'm even having more deeper interest in the people that I meet. But now for here, I haven't really been telling much of how does this all work, but I just find a random beach. You know, I was talking to the owner, I'll talk about that soon, but you know, people always wonder like, how on earth are you doing this? I just find a random beach. I'll drive for a little bit, find a random beach. So I'm posted up here and I went back to Winifred Beach for the past 2 days, and how I did it, I would just drive here, sleep for the night, and I'll go back down. It's like about 30 minutes drive away, so that basically explains that. Now, usually, I would prefer having some level of civilization close by, and just behind me there is a little bar. I go there and I will charge my cell phone. I have a drink or two, just support, you know, a local business, because I'm not really a drinker per se, and I'll talk because sometimes I need socialization. Like, I need to talk to someone, especially a female. Like, I like talking to girls. Now, speaking of females, some people been commenting the same thing. Where's Jilly? Where's Jilly? Where's Jilly? Now, my videos are not overly produced in a particular way. These are like diaries of my life or my food adventures, basically. And I don't know about you guys, but in real life things happen, and if you miss a video, like, you're gonna be missing out on information. And I'm not trying to force feed you into watching every single video I do, but you can miss out on something because I'm not gonna keep going over the same thing over and over and over just because I'm trying to please the crowd, if you get what I'm saying. So long and short, I'll repeat it again. Jilly's gone away to the US. She had some important documents that she had to sort out. That's not my story to tell. If she chooses to do that on her channel, she'll go ahead and do that. Her birthday passed like in May. She was supposed to do a video. I had bought her. Jilly loves watches, and when I first started dating her, I told her I'll get her the things that I know that she likes. So perfumes, if you watch the videos, you know every time I go away I bring back a new perfume that she likes. I know she likes watches, and she always wanted an Apple Watch. I bought one of those for her. She was supposed to do a video and show you guys, but that didn't happen. And well, probably not as yet. If you go over to her channel and that video is not there yet, then you know. And the reason for that, making content is not the easiest of things, especially when you're juggling real life situations. So yeah, there goes that. So I can't explain that anymore, because people keep on asking me where is she. Like, I mean, come on. I've spoken to people who are living in Kingston and they're dating someone all the way in the country areas. Of course, you're not going to see them all the time, and I need to make content. I need to achieve these things, and I've always wanted to travel around Jamaica and trying the foods, and I can't wait. You know, I can't just sit back and say, oh, I'm waiting because people love to see me with, you know, a particular person, or for me to do it a particular way. I try to make real content that you guys can enjoy. Anyway, so the idea of today's video is, and it's not planned, it's not orchestrated. You know, the owner for the bar, she asked me, oh, what do you do? And she was so intrigued and she was so spazzed out that, yo, that's crazy. You're living in your van, and like, how on earth? And then she asked me to, if it's possible for me to like show their establishment. And I'm always down for that. I don't care how big the business is or how small it is. Once I think you can pull off a good dish and you can be consistent enough that when you guys come here, you can have the same experience, then why not? And I've always wanted to share something about a bar. Like, I think the Jamaican bar scene it's something that can be talked about in some small light, because Jamaica has the most bars per capita probably in the world. So bars and churches, we just have a ton load of those. So I've been here and I've been coming to have the bar vibe. In Jamaica, there's a drink called the Special. If you don't know what a Special is, Oh my God, I forgot what's in the special. I know it's boom, and I think it's rum. Boom and rum. I learned what a pink pussy is. I didn't curse. I did not curse. I know it's family friendly, but pussy is a cat, right? Yeah. But that's basically milk and Campari. So that's a drink that's there. And I was just like, yo, I tried that for the first time when I was back by Piggy's. There's a bar there. I didn't film that, but I spent the night just chatting with people. I'll get some persons around the drinks or whatever and just talk and get to know real Jamaicans. And that's something that you could do. Even though honestly, if I'm to be real with you, the bars, it's for some places it's not safe. There possibly could be a bar fight or an altercation, so I'm not really promoting that. But if by chance you see a cool, calm place like here, a couple people come, like the locals, they have a drink, they then bun some spliff, they DJ and just have good, clean vibes. That's what I want to promote. So yeah, in today's video, I'll be going over there. Now, there's a beach. One of the things I wanted to do was to always go to the beach. I've mentioned several times in Portland, if you come out here, do not always expect glass sea oceans. Glass means that the ocean is very flat and it looks like literal glass. It's very wavy out there right now. Oh my God, I've been talking for 7 minutes. I think this is the part where I need to stop. That's a pretty long talk for you guys. But let me wrap it up. There's the water thing in the van, and I'm halfway done. I'm out of water basically, so I only have 1 jug of water. I don't know where I'm gonna get water from because my usual local source, which I knew I could get it from, I'm far away from that. So hopefully I can probably get it from the bar. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna go for a swim. I'm under this coconut tree here, and it's not no picturesque Jamaican beach. That is just what it's a real beach. You know, coconuts are on the floor. People come here, chop coconuts and drink, and it's time for me to shut up. I'm gonna go for a swim, and then I'll take you guys over there and show you guys what that experience is. Woo! Yo, this beach is as real as they come. If you look behind me, you can see what they call sargassum. It's like this seaweed that just drifts ashore at certain times of the year. Seems to be a new global phenomenon, but yeah, beautiful stretch of beach, man. Just nice. Waves are a bit rocky, so I can't promise you guys that I'm gonna be swimming in there, but I'm definitely gonna go take a dip, for sure. Yo, the waves almost took my shorts off, bro. Alright guys, so we just took a drive out. We just left the beach house. I mean, I'm joking, but you guys get the idea. So I was just across the beach now. I came over here to the local bar where it smells like stew peas probably, but it could just be rice and peas. But nonetheless, I am now out of water. I need to solve that situation. Yeah, man, I'm gonna make some water. If you don't know, in Jamaica there is always a water crisis. Like, they haven't gotten water here for months, so me asking for some water, getting some water is like a big thing, but country people are always kind. However, there isn't a proper water outlet for me to connect my hose. Luckily I have enough equipment, so I'll just throw my hose into the tank and use the pump, suck it in, and then I think we should be good. The owner is there. Me can take some water? She said yes, thank God. So I must I'm gonna steal some water because I'm out of water now and I need water to shower, and I'm not sure of any water source like I mentioned before. Anyway, let's do that and then we'll head into the kitchen and see. I can tell it smells good. It smells really good. Alright, I think I hear the water coming. Let's go. Hey, thank God. So you can see they have to have tanks. This tank is easily probably like 1,000 gallon or 800 gallon, and probably the same. So yeah, water. it's a bad situation in Jamaica with that. Alright guys, so we are done. Let me teach you something. If you don't by chance have a pump, you can use the method of siphoning, which is, so if you put the hose in a higher point, and then wherever you're getting the water in the lower point, all you have to do is like just suck that part, and then the water will consistently just keep flowing even without the aid of a pump. Anyway, enough science 101. Alright, there's a little restaurant out here called Little Italy. The Rasta man, I believe, that makes pizzas. So I'm gonna walk from here and see if we can find him and thing. Is it? Oh yeah, I actually see it and thing. Wow. Jano, another one bites the dust. So I just went in there, talked to him. Pretty cool guy, but yeah, he basically just cooked for himself now. Hasn't done pizza in a while, yeah. And he doesn't have any ingredients to do any pizza today. So there's that. Watch the video so you can know what Google spots are still open, and I'll let you guys know. Anyway. Yeah, well, I'll go back at the bar. So time hot, and we're reaching the bar right now, you see me? So this is Donnelly, and Donnelly is nervous. You understand? Ladies who work at the bar are normally never nervous. You understand? Because them deal with people, them come in sober. When them get cross, they usually know to, well, you can say no, control the atmosphere. But today, the camera, I mash her up. But you know what I want? I want a pink pussy. If you don't know what this drink is, I learned about it when I was by Piggy's in Portland. There's a bar just across from it. The owner of Piggy's, I believe he owns the bar. And yeah, I ordered it. Actually, it was a patron there and he was just like, yo, you ever tried a drink there? So, yeah, I need pink pussy. Alright, come on man, tell me how you make the drink. How you make the drink. Watch out.
So basically, Campari and milk. Sorry, milk. You can use whatever milk you choose. This is the milk that we use.
So the question what I want to know is, when you learn about pink pussy?
You know, so I know before. I know about it before. I started work a bar. I work a bar about 2 years now. Yeah, basically. But I never drink it until I really start work a bar. But I know about it.
My honest opinion, I do not like Campari. Big up to the people, I love Campari. I'm going to lose a possible sponsorship, but I don't like Campari. But with the milk and the Campari, it just really works together. So,
Yeah,
shall I go show me make it?
of course. Come on.
I'm going to get the pink pussy. Let's go. So we're good now. Oh, come man, but when I first come here, your mouth loud, see it yeah?
You got to the ice because the milk is not cold, you know?
Okay. Yeah, so growing up in Trelawny, guys, it's something that most of us had to do before, what I call it now, the ice cube thing, the ice trays became a thing. And most people never even have fridge back then. You know, you can have to go get a block of ice from your neighbor or whatever. But that was a very long time ago. Is that the minute? You're looking nervous.
So, you want a single shot or double shot?
Single shot. Single shot, please.
As I remember, I know they say there's no drink. So I eat this.
Alright, let's see how this tastes. So we're gonna see if her tastes good. This is one of my favorite drinks by the bar. The Campari is a little bit sweet, but it have that bitters type of taste, of course. And then the milk, you know, milk has a slight sweetness to it as well, so it just works together. You did yourself justice. Even though you did it nervous. So like a drink like this, how much a drink like this cost?
So normally we sell the milk single. So if you want a shot, normally the milk are like $200. So the shot now are $150 a shot.
Okay.
Yes, so in all it would have been $350.
So I mean this is mine?
Yes, that is yours.
Yeah. I see. Okay, so every time you want another one, you just pay for a shot?
Yes, and you drink it with the milk and provide it with ice.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's a vibe.
Yeah.
So I want to show the people this. This is the new currencies, plastic now. So if you come to Jamaica and you've never been in here for a while and you're just living under a rock, you never heard, yeah, plastic money. Alright, so they're in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Who they in the kitchen with?
You know, say T-bone though.
T-bone.
Yeah.
You don't like the steak?
You see it.
Gotcha. The girl them love off it dark because it reminds like a T-bone. Jano.
There, I deal with some fried rice, you see it.
Okay, some fried rice.
Yeah.
Right.
Some curry lobster, fried bun, jerk chicken, huh?
Fried rice, curry lobster, curry bami. No,
fried bun,
fried bami,
curry lobster.
curry lobster.
Yeah.
Sure. Yo, so how do I start off when I cooking thing?
You know what say from me, you though? Mother and father chef, you see me?
Oh, your mom and dad are chef?
Yeah, so, you know your blood.
Right. So why people them love to buy out here? Cause this is like a bar slash restaurant, yeah? So the man them come at the bar and buy, you know, buy liquor and thing.
Yeah, they, like finger food, you know. An idea, I'm on around the rice and peas there, you know. Just with the fries, it depends on how you feel for. You know? Your choice.
So once you have the ingredients and somebody from the
anything
can.
you want,
Nice.
we fix it, you know? Yeah. I'll chop up some sweet pepper, scale it.
Chop with the fried rice.
Raw.
So you say you're a chef too?
Not really, my assistant is it.
You know, say it's a humble youth, you know, because some people just say, yeah man, nah put no assistant to nobody name. The man just know say, I learn same way, no?
Yeah, man.
Right. Alright, so you have the assistant in here, help him out and thing. Which I dish them, what him make, where you say, yeah man?
You know what I say? Tell you the truth, I pork.
Pork.
Yeah, man.
So I know. And the man have a Rasta man type of sound in a man sound like as a ital man and the man say pork.
Yeah, man, I pork, man.
What kind of pork? Jerk or stew?
Stew, that's the stew, is it?
Stew pork.
Yeah.
Vibes. Okay, let's go and clean up some lobster now. And some really.
Yeah, remember when I said right there, somebody telling me now? No, remember, I tell
You must tell them, for all the rum drinkers and the beer drinkers who want to come here and eat some food and drink. I hear that you guys have the cheapest beer.
Yes, and rum special.
And rum special. So one item I buy about 3 special, how much? $200 for one or so?
Yeah, and $200 for red stripe.
$200 for red stripe?
Red stripe, yeah.
Wow, you don't say in a Kingston
And,
a red stripe is like 350, 400 something, yeah?
And not only that, we're Heineken them, we Dragon, all of that $300 at that place. And we have $200 for the small Heineken as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Basically, we always sell $50, $100 less cheaper than most bars.
So nice little quick drinking spot, you want some food?
Yeah,
Right.
and we sell cheap food too. Yeah, we have nice beach.
Service, best food, best comfortable breezy area.
Yeah.
And for those who want to see Donnelly set good like the eyes in the freezer, you can come on down. So guys, Donnelly, tell me that she gonna miss me. Yeah. Oh, we can laugh so. But fun and joke aside, like I never filmed that part, so I kind of wanted to work on this and showcase this place. The very first night I came here, just buy some liquor and we chat a little bit, and go over there. So I'm a camp out and whatever, and I felt very safe. Me feel very a country lifestyle, very homely. People have been very welcoming and stuff. And then them find out some of the YouTube videos because they never know from the initial get-go. So yeah, we're here supporting, and I never even realized because most times I just go to this place and spend money for support because I'm not a drinker, I tell her. But I buy special, support the bar. But I never knew that the prices were that cheap. When I think about it, it is very, and cheap is a bad word. It's affordable. It's a very affordable bar. So if you're ever passing on the long day stretch or you want to come to somewhere that I've been before and you meet the people that I have met, then you can definitely stop here. And I'll tell you guys how the food is. I've never tried anything because most nights I've already eaten, but we're gonna try it today. So we have lobster and we have jerk chicken and we might have some more pink pussy. But that name is so weird. The first time I hear it, you never think it's weird. Pink pussy.
Yeah.
Why didn't call it so,
I don't know, I don't know. The pink pussy. Why them call it a pussy?
We don't know.
Yeah, probably the color.
Okay. That's new. That's new news. Anyway, your preferred drink as someone working the bar, like what drink? Like if somebody comes to Jamaica, they just like me, not really a drinker, but they just want to bask in the Jamaican lifestyle. What drink would you recommend, or what drink would you serve up?
That drink, would I give them rum cream? Yeah.
Excellent choice, rum cream.
Yeah. And give them probably with sorrel. With flavored beer, them you have sorrel, lemon, apple.
Excellent
we never
choice.
sell the apple yet, but melon too as well. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's me personally, I love rum cream. It is excellent, and the sorrel beer from Red Stripe is my recommendation. And if you're looking for a rum drink, I highly recommend the special.
Yeah.
The boom, and is it boom and rum? White rum?
Yeah.
Me love it. It's really, really,
And
really,
it's not,
really nice.
not always rum and boom are special, because you can get Campari and boom. You can get Smirnoff, you can get Stone or the boom.
So it's just the hard liquor and boom.
Yeah.
Boom.
Just 200, look at 200 a drink. Yeah.
So boom is the Jamaican equivalent to Red Bull. So if you want to know what the flavor profile is, it is Red Bull and whatever, but we use boom. It's cheaper. Yeah. Lobster salt out and then fried rice over there, so. Well,
Some mashed potato.
and some mashed potatoes. Jaja. Alright, so as the man of the house now, your woman make you cook or she cook?
Why, I prefer cooking.
You prefer?
I prefer cooking.
Move, she don't watch the video because that look good. And some rice and peas. Jaja.
Baked chicken.
Some baked chicken. Yo, what them when them come at the bar and think, which dish them normally run for?
Well, wings and fries.
Yeah.
Burger.
Yeah.
Pizza, a man come and want a pizza and then get a beer, a couple beer with it,
Right.
like a combo.
Okay.
Isn't it? Same thing with the wings, same thing with the burger.
Mad.
Isn't it? Soup, the soup, and you can eat order it and we just mash it up quick.
Makes sense.
Isn't it? But I most of that and chicken and chips, and we do taco too.
Okay.
Yeah, we do taco, but order steady.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Can't take it, right?
So anyway, Donnelly was a good girl, but I share some, but she was that we said Donnelly eat a piece of food a while ago. I never even think, say oh dog. Alright, so I'll bite into this lobster. I was contemplating to share it, but not share it. Hey, guys, this lobster is buttery. It have a nice amount of pepper on it. True and true. Jano, this is one of the best lobsters I've ever had, and the part that I really like about it, you're not gonna expect it. Yeah, you say don't judge a book by cover, but the bar are going with it themselves. Like the lobster tastes good. It tastes really good. The curry on it is just, there's something about this curry. I don't know what curry, I don't know if it's better pack or whatever, but it tastes like something that I know. But the tenderness of the lobster is just on point, you know, overcooked. And for those of you who watch my videos, you know that I've been to assumably a top restaurant and the lobster was just, it wasn't it. This is how you're supposed to do a nice Jamaican curry lobster. Alright, so of course you don't know, bami is crispy. It's basically cassava, so it's a, you know, a fermented type of thing. You know, fried on the outside. Let's bite into that. I understand why I'm saying he does the cooking at home and not his girlfriend. Like, him know what I'm do. Like, him really know what I'm do. This bami, of course, this is a bami that is bought in stores, but that doesn't mean that it's executed properly. If you do it too soggy, then naturally it's gonna just be soggy and just mice and all that craziness in the middle. But the outside on this is just crispy. Look at that. Nice. Go. Yo, I'm gonna tell you something. Like, I find some of the best foods in Jamaica is the hole in the wall type of places, not like the top and iris place them. Like a lobster and the bami. Shell. Look at that, guys. This is fantastic. Really fantastic. Guys, I am so happy. I'm so happy. Let me see right there. I'm going to try food here today. Excellent. But we had me come out to see. No, I'm not thinking about this bar. You know, my favorite part about this is I love how he also broke down the abdomen of the lobster, so you can just easily just work your way right into it, you understand? So you know you got a whole lobster, but it's already broken down. I love that. Me, shellings. Bro?
Yeah.
Food so nice, I wish I could have eaten it twice. What? I'm not gonna lie, brother.
Yeah, man.
You deal with it wickedly. So you say jerk chicken and all?
Yeah.
With a bit? Alright, well fought. So, me have a question, because the way how you even present the lobster looks so fabulous.
Yeah.
Like how? Like where you study or you just...
Well, And me not study, you know. I just teaching from my father
Okay.
and my mother, you know.
So self-taught and you learn from
Yeah.
mom and
I
dad.
watch video and
And you watch, see it there?
You see me?
Oh God, it's a bottle and style sorrel beer.
Yeah.
Yeah man, so you say go make it go and build a little bit. No, go ahead, bro.
Yeah. So
The lobster.
I do a taco with the jerk chicken.
A taco.
Yeah.
You know what you're talking about.
You see me?
Up.
So you know?
Wow.
Yeah.
So T-board.
My friend then call me T.
Brother, me have to ask you again, my general, cause
Yeah.
we look watch a clock span feet. You see me?
Yeah.
You know, in the streets youth, and I am extremely impressed with the food. And you mentioned something, say you're from Tin Mackerel days where you come from.
Yeah.
Tell about that story.
Yeah. Well, you know.
Talk you like how you did talk before. That's
You
two
see,
man
growing up,
Yeah.
growing up, you know, I have cook for your smaller siblings them and
Yeah.
you know, you have to kind of understand how you would want to taste and they say, oh, I don't want too much of that today, or too much garlic and
Yeah.
so I learn from this, so you see me?
Straight.
You see me? So, as I say, mother and father are chef when I'm there around them. I wash pot and there's something there, you see me?
Sure.
So, kind of catch on a little, you see me? Seasoning and then something that they usually tell me, say, oh, alright, then cut up the chicken and throw it on it and say, rub up that for me, you see me? I learn from this, you know? Yeah, man.
So what brought you to Fisherman's Park? Because I heard that the restaurant is newly opened, it's about a month old, and the bar is about a year old.
Well, yeah, but me used to it longer than that because my father original.
So how them recruit you? Because you supposed to be there over Dubai, you know.
Yeah, but
How you end up come here? So
I'm
that
a
more
father.
story.
I'm
So
a
that
father.
so the father friend and
yeah,
Yeah.
you see me? Because him usually run us, you know.
okay.
You see me? And them a look for a chef.
hmm
Then go to him and reach us.
Nice.
And my friend Donnelly. He boss my number and say, oh, I in that, you know?
Yeah. And so far they've been very happy with you. Have
Yeah.
to be. Have to.
Yeah, man.
Have to. So, and the owner told me that you made you make she eat grilled fish.
Yeah, roast fish.
Mm.
Yeah, man.
Can you deal with it proper?
Yeah, man. But they always complain about pepper still, but I try to, you know?
For the lobster for me, it never peppery, but you know pepper in it, and me
Yeah.
love that.
Yeah.
It was, bro, I can't
Yeah.
say it again, bro. It was phenomenal.
Spice kind of bring up that flavor.
So here I want to get into your mind and understand how you present food. So I realize that the abdomen, that the legs, them, or the lobster, you make sure them separated.
Yeah.
And the tail part,
just-
why? What make you do it that way?
Present, alright, yeah, I give somebody one whole of lobster. Yeah, come like a fight.
Thank you, yo. What's up?
You see me?
You know what you're
You take
talking about,
out.
brother.
You see me? Some just
Simplify
shimmy
it.
up and, you see me? So if you don't want that part, you can just I have the meat, you know? You see me?
Yeah, don't judge a book by the cover. You hear me I say, my general? Like the man know what him talking about and what him doing, and I could understand your expression through the
Yeah.
plate.
Yeah.
Cause people think you just eat a dish and you have to kind of get into the mind of the chef, you know, like what are they trying to accomplish.
Yeah.
Some man just cook for just cook and make a money.
You know, sir? Presentation, but you just look on it and say, oh, this pretty, you know?
Straight.
But when you taste it, you see me?
Be even prettier.
Yeah.
Jaja.
And that's what me aim for, you see me?
Yo, big up yourself again. We look forward to try the. If the jerk chicken top, I don't think a jerk chicken is gonna top the lobster still.
Yeah,
But if it
but-
top it, so it's
Alright.
up top.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Guys, hey, I wanna get them tacos sana. Where did you guys? Wow. So I'm telling you, presentation is key, and presentation is, I'm gonna say me call it rhyme, but them. You know, so anyway, so we have a taco here. I'm not even gonna ask what kind of taco. I'm just gonna bite into it and see how best we can describe it. So a hard taco shell. My jaws kind of jumped a bit because there's the how can I say, the acidity of the, what's it called again, the salsa. So there's a nice salsa in there. You can taste the tomatoes, the green peppers. You say I love pepper, but this one is not too spicy. The chicken is quite juicy and complements the hardness of the shell quite well. I love the fresh, bright flavors of the salsa, and the acidity is just on point, yo. And it's a jerk taco. It's a jerk taco. The spiciness from the jerk is not overpowering. You really have to taste deeply into it to know it's a jerk taco. But I assume it's from the jerk breast that was on the grill just now. Wow, I never thought I'd get tacos there. Tacos this good. Wow. I wanna get taco shell then. Hmm? I'll go price match. You see? Yeah, I'm for mine, don't. Okay. Come beside me. Come. Come back near taco and tell me what you think.
Nice, man.
Food, eh?
Nice one.
Nice.
I'm kind of obsessed and I appreciate with it still.
Man, it tastes really nice. Take I'm cooking a poachy.
But man, not to be rude, but I never think somebody will come and say I get taco.
Yes?
No.
And he's the one who told me about it. I know nothing about it.
So he kind of inspired you to get the taco shells and stuff. Nice. The best part is that you obliged him.
Yeah.
Cause some boss, nah, man, not make me the dry chicken alone or something. I have to listen to your chef.
True. Tastes really nice.
Good job.
Nice.
Now this mashed potato here, it is creamy, it is smooth. You do get small bits of the potatoes and that just tell you say never come out of one pack. It's not a potato powder and water.
Yeah.
Somebody actually boiled the potatoes and actually made this and it's good. Really good. It's what I expect from now you can't move. Take a piece of the chicken and you tell me. You have a jerk chicken already? No?
I can't prove that.
Wow, this is hot. Nice and hot. This just come off of the grill just now.
Mighty God.
It's nice?
Mighty God. So I feel a bit extra, but that's true, man.
Nice, gone.
I mean, he's not really a jerk chicken fan because most of them intend to be dry and I don't really like the dryness, so that's why I really don't eat it. But this tastes really nice and moist and juicy.
That's all we really need to hear you say. It's a typical jerk where you have the right amount of spice, the color on it is good, but it is moist. It is juicy, just like what Anna said, moist and juicy. Nice, tender, juicy. No, come. Because you see me I deal with taco, you gone in the boat, you order taco too.
No.
Come miss it.
Better eat
it. After spirit.
Alright guys, so I am super stuffed. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. The food was far above expectation. I completed my jerk chicken dish, but I never got to show you guys the crime scene as usual. But yeah, I'm about to go pack up the van, you know, tidy stuff up, clean whatever I need to clean up, and just reset for Monday, tomorrow, where I'll be. I think I might try here again tomorrow, maybe their grilled fish, because I hear it's really good. If not, I'll try to find somewhere along the road and just continue the journey. But thank you so much for watching these videos. Please remember to check this place out, and remember to keep the link. Love, nature, and adaptation, and always remember to keep the link.